'Cause nobody does it like you. I like the way that you move. That's why I never go through with leaving you. Everybody.
Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gerhal Sri Maharani. My MPM is 244111045. I'm for management class 1024E. In the video, I will discuss legal and complete risk management. In clothing business activity, companies not only focus on the profits and operational, but also must pay attention to implement laws and regulations. Every company is obligated to comply with government's regular to ensure business operational can preserve and compatibility. However, in practice, main companies still face various legal and company risks as a break and of the context, lead tax payments, copyright infringements, and non-compliance with company and government regulations. If legal and compliance risks are not managed properly, companies can face legalizations, fines, and financial loss, and even a diminished reputations. Therefore, a company needs to implement legal and company's risk management to minimize volatilities and managing business continuity. Is in the video, I will explain the meaning of legal and compliance risks, example of common risks, the impact on companies, and strategy that can be implemented to manage these risks. Okay, legal and compliance risks arise when company fails to comply with applicable laws, company policy, and government regulations. Legal risk management is implemented to enable companies to identify various potential violations that could lead to further legal issues. When the risks are identified, the company, the analysis team, and determines preventive measures to prevent them from causing significant loss. Legal risks typically relate to victims of comparative context, business licensing issue. Cooperating instruments of legal disputes with other parties, company complaint risks. On the other hand, relate to company failure to comply with applicable regulator and policy. For example, late payment, violating of labor regulations, or a failure the address to establish operational standard. In the business world, a legal companies is crucial because company must maintain public trust and ensure that all business activity are conducted in accordance with regulations. If a company fails to comply with applicable regulations, it can affect various detrimental legal issues. Therefore, a legal and company risk management is the crucial part of managing and the stability and sustainability of company. In the business activity, there are various examples of legal and compliance risks. The frequently occur of example establish a comprehensive contact between the company and another party. For example, a company fails to fulfill its agreed obligations, leading our legal disputes. Another example is the like tax payments are not compliant with other company tax obligations. This can result in the company being subjected and sanctions are financed from the government. Legal risks can also result from corporate infractions such as the use of loans mismatch of products belonging to another party which operational permissions. Furthermore, misuse of customer data is the significant risk in this today's digital age. If customer data is leaked to our use is irresponsibility, and the company can lose public trust. Violation of employment regulations also fall under legal and compliance risks. For example, a company fails to report employment risks according to applicable regulator, or they fail to ensure employee safety. Furthermore, companies can also experience problems due to non-company with internal company policies and government regulations. Therefore, company needs to understanding and company with applicable regulations to reduce the likelihood of legal issue. Okay, legal and compliance risks and that are not properly managed can have significant impact on the company. One impact the emergence of legal certification and finance due to regulation violations accompanied by the company. The more serious the various violations, the greater the loss and company must bear. Furthermore, companies can also experience financial loss due to the cost of resolving legal issues or applying in compliance to injure parties. Another impact is the loss in the company reputation in the eyes of the public. We can company influence the legal issue, the public will begin to build the credibility and equality. Customer trust can also delete in the company pressures as employable and of many things data security are failing are the to comply with applicable regulations. Furthermore, legal issue can disrupt company regulations as the company must focus on resolving visually and legal processing. In the long term, legal and compliance risks can hinder business developing and they impact the company's sustainability. Therefore, companies must be able to manage legal compliance risks explicitly to avoid things negative impact. Okay, the meeting legal and compliance risks. Company needs to implement various opportunity risk management strategy. One important strategy is understanding and following out applicable regulator, both government regulations and internal company policies. Company also needs to conduct regular internal audits to ensure that all operational activity are carried out in accordance with accessibility rules and standards. Furthermore, work supervision needs to be strengthened so that company can implement identification and any violations or error according in the workplace. Company must also provide company trainings to employees so that all employees understanding work rules, company ethics, and higher responsibility. In today's digital era, managing the security and company and customer data is also crucial. Companies need to use a strong security system to prevent data leak or abuse. Furthermore, companies can collaborations and company legal department to assist the legal match and provide advice regarding company policies. By implementing a sound legal and a complete risk management strategy, companies will be better prepared to face various legal challenges in the business world. Okay, in the conclusions, legal and compliance risk management play a crucial role in the work, business, and organizational. Fair companies is required to comply with acceptable laws and policies to ensure business operational smoothly and avoid legal issues. Legal and companies risks can reach various forms such as breach to contract, late payments, copyright infringements, and misuse of the customer data. If these risks are not managed properly, companies can experience legal justification, financial loss, and delays in their reputation and fair loss and customer trust. Therefore, companies need to implement legal and compliance risk management touch various strategies such as internal audits, work supervision, company training, and ensure company data security. With good risk management, company that maintain business stability, ensure public trust, and better fix various business challenges. That concludes my explanations, the legal and compliance risk management. Thank you for your attention. I hope the material has been helpful and has increased your understanding of the importance of legal and compliance rights management in the world of business and organizational.